Hi everyone, I'm Gray Lewis, and I am so excited to be welcoming you to our MeanStack live training from Eduonix. We've all been working tirelessly to get this course ready for you guys, and we are so excited to get started. So I'm here to just give you a few of the prerequisites, a few of the things you'll need to install to be ready for this course. First of all, you're going to need to install the VS Code IDE, as well as installing NPM and Node.js. And you're additionally going to need to then install a global copy of Angular from NPM, as well as either a local MongoDB instance or a Atlas cloud account to hook the application up to. All of the links for those things will be available in the description. I am so excited to get started, and I can't wait to start meeting some of you. So thanks for showing up to this webinar, and thank you for watching.